gang, Carl Ellwein here, Ellwein Engines. Quick intro before I walk you around the garage. This is going to be a vlog, a short little vlog, just to catch you up on what is going to come up, all the projects coming up in the next 2 months. Really quick video today and just tell all the projects have built up and what you're going to see the next, through the summer. So, right now, I'm standing in front of my car and basically I'm trying to clean it up, beautify it. I've got, you know, look at the sort of the orange looking water pump. I'm gonna put a black one in there, clean that up nicely, organize my wiring so it's tight and reliable, do a little bit of dress, and because I just put these on. I like the clean and tidy look. I'm going to change out the hoses, and there'll be some silicone hoses. That's it for my car. That'll happen eventually. Now, let me show you the new project. And I'm in the process of buying Kent Eden's car. It has ERE number 9 in it. It's a 383, and Kent's got a fully race suspension, Chris Alston Chassis Works. Let me give you a wide angle here. And the Fab 9. So it's set up nicely for drag racing. I have in here, that is my transmission. It's a Freddie Brown, Turbo 400. But recently I had rebuilt by Frank Cahill Performance, one of my spare Turbo 400s, and this is built to the max. So I have a spare transmission. That's a 383. I'm going to probably run the same supercharger setup that's in there right now, that's got a cracked sleeve and a cracked block. So the block's coming out, it's going to get a new one. What you're going to see today, well, not today, I mean, this is what I'm going to do today. Engine number 92 has been waiting for me to get to it, and basically needs to be finish up the clearancing. I have marked in the block where I need to do a little more clearancing for rods. This is a Nitrous. Goes on a F-body, and it's going to be a high-power nitrous motor. That's number 92. I got number 93 is out here waiting for the dyno to be available. I think I'm going to go to a different dyno. The one that I usually go to is restricted, and rightly so, but there may be another one I can go to, but waiting for the dyno. Number 95 is going to be I got the pistons and rods, the block that'll needs to get started. Number 96 needs to get started. That's going to be a 383. And let's see, number 97, I just got all the parts in right here. The Eagle kit and the rotating assembly. Well, that has these blocks. This block needs to get torn down and sent to the machine shop for that. This is a core I acquired from the same customer. So basically, a lot of projects. It's going to be all throughout the summer. I'm excited to get this running again, get a new 383 block in that, get some practice tuning with a supercharger. I'm probably going to change out the fast system in this for a Holley. I can practice on that. the all the parts for that engine number 97 are right here. Just wanted to show you all that. I think that's about it. I hope this video came out okay. It's quick and short. Boy, coming up the next couple of days, I'm going to do a little bit of assembly video on this one because it has the premium parts that I love. The flat tops from Diamond, custom Diamond Pistons. And those are the Callies Ultra rods. Love that stuff. Anyway, check out the shop. Halon fire extinguisher there. How do you like that? All right, until next time. This is Carl Ellwein, Ellwein Engines. Take care.